all I can say is making money online is crazy. And it was never like this for me, by the way, guys. And I'm sure if you've made money online, you know the same thing. Like the first sale you make, it's like the craziest thing ever. You freak out. Dude, this is real and I know I can replicate this. And then some people go on to just crush it from there. And some people go on, try new things and trying to figure it out still, and they don't see success for a little while longer. And I was that way because I started very young. I got my first sale on Amazon Associates, made multiple websites. I ran traffic with some of the stupidest ways ever. Free traffic sources that were like Pinterest and stuff like that. Horrible. And I'd run it to my site that was custom coded because I knew how to code websites, still do. Partnered with a friend to do this. We built a site, Amazon products, and we listed them on there, very unique Amazon products. And we made a sale, and it wasn't one of the things we promoted because anyone who buys something through your link, you get a sale for and commission for. It was like some book about relationships or something. And I won't forget that ever. It was like 12 cents that I got from that sale. And I was like, oh my gosh, this is real. Then I went on to do CPA marketing, which CPA marketing, as you know, I crush it with now, like super cash flow. And that's just from one traffic source, the biggest in the world, YouTube. That's just passive right there. I mean, I add new videos to it all the time. Entertainment videos, I got everything automated. I make the content a lot myself. It's so passive and it builds and compounds on itself, and it's crazy. And you know, conversions come in freaking every minute. One of my most passionate topics I love because it got me out of depression. The number one thing that kept me from being suicidal and depressed and giving up and stuff was like the desire to make money online. Like I didn't want anything else. I don't want to work for someone else. I don't want to have a job. I don't want to live a normal life. I don't want to be stagnant and not improve. Like I nonstop learn every day. It's like 6 hours per day. Especially in the past, it was 6 hours per day, every day. Every day, I mean, in high school, I had no social life, sacrificed everything. Making money online is truly a journey, and it's a very, very much so wanted thing in many people's lives because so many people live lives they don't like. Like, do you like your life right now? Perfect. If you do, perfect. I would say most people, when they acquire the dream and goal they want, they're happy for a little bit, but then they want more. I can tell you right now, I'm going after big stuff right now in my life currently, and it will not stop. It will not stop, and that's what makes humans so cool. The best apex predator in the world, as Tom Bailou says, or whatever his last name is. Best apex predator in the world is humans. We're able to adapt on a dime. We always want more. We're always curious. We're just powerful people, powerful creatures, powerful animals. How do you make money online? To make money online, the first tip I have to give you is you could sell a crappy product or you could sell a good product. Your choice right there. That determines things right off the bat. Like there's a lot of choices in the journey. There's a lot of tools you can use and stuff like this. You gotta have something to sell. And I highly recommend if you're starting and making money online, get into affiliate marketing because you're a beginner. If you're advanced, do affiliate marketing, do whatever, do your own products. If you're a beginner, you could totally do your own products. I know plenty of success stories who've done that. I got started in affiliate marketing, promoted other people's products. All I needed was a link. If someone bought through my link, I mean, I made money. That's how it works. You know, like, it's that simple. The key is sell something that's high value in their eyes, that is valuable, solves a problem is the best route to go if you promote your own stuff or affiliate offers. Those are the only two routes you can go. It could be services or products, it could be digital or physical products, and it could be affiliate offers, or it could be your own products. It needs to solve a problem, or it needs to guarantee a result, or it needs to be high value for what it is. To be no-brainer. I'm gonna tell you what makes money and what doesn't. If you sell logically, you're gonna make way less sales. If you're not an expert about what you're talking about, and if you're not enthusiastic about what you're selling, you will not make sales. This is what makes money, and you know, there's the 20% of knowledge that produces 80%, 100% of your results. So if you want to become like the 10,000 hour rule in marketing or making money online or anything like I am currently, like I'm way over past that. I've nerded out about some of the most minute details of different things at this point, and it's not going to stop. I can tell you there's the 20% though that matters, truly matters. Consists of absolutely being an authority, getting consistent traffic all the time. Story selling creates like connection and emotion, and people buy that. But in general, a great offer, guys, is the first tip I wanted to give, like I've been talking about. So some techniques you can do in affiliate marketing is add bonuses to whatever you sell. And how you fulfill that is like you say to people in your messaging, you tell them, buy this through my link, email this email with proof of purchase, and I will email you the bonuses. You fulfill the bonuses, you just give them a link, they go get their bonuses, and the bonuses are worth a certain amount of money basically to them. If I promote something that is an email offer like sweepstakes, I mean, sweepstake can sell itself basically. But if you have a story behind it that ups the offer, when people buying the status increases too, and I could rant about this too, it's like a very powerful accelerator to getting more sales online. People buy into status symbols, people buy into intelligence, people buy into beauty, like symbols of stuff. Like these are status increases. Get traffic is one of those things where there's several routes to it. You could do paid or you could do free traffic. I recommend do both. They work hand in hand powerfully. You know, have a great offer and have multiple offers. Don't forget that. In online business, You want to be selling more than one thing because you can have multiple income streams at that point, kind of like if they're all in the same like business, multiple products and services, you can spend money on traffic, promote something high ticket, and you could get lots of sales of all your stuff at different price points. Percentage will always buy, and people will buy the low stuff a lot. People will ascend the value ladder you have. Don't spend any money on traffic unless you have either really high conversion rates and high average order value, or you have something high ticket in the back end and lots of stuff to sell. That's the only time you should get into paid ads ever. If you really get into paid ads, there's one more thing. You need to make sure your front end is converting very high with cold traffic. Cold traffic is people who have no idea who you are. You're entering into a new market. How do you sell cold traffic is with high trust and likability. You need to associate your product with status symbols and with authorities. And if you're an authority, you need to build that credibility and explain. That's like the main thing that works with cold traffic. If you implement it the right way and, involve that inside your marketing. Social proof is very powerful with cold traffic too. Numbers that are high of social proof, reviews and stuff like that can help a lot with cold traffic. With hot traffic, it's different, which is like an audience you built who knows, likes, and trusts you. You give a lot of value to. They know you. They've spent time with you. They know who you are. And the best traffic source is an email list. Build your email list. Get people as leads into your email list and market to them new products and do a launch or whatever whenever you want, and you will make money. If you're doing Amazon Associates, stop. The only time you should is if you have a lot of traffic, and the only best route with Amazon Associates, if you're wondering, just as a rant, YouTube for sure is a great traffic source. Plus, absolutely having a blog. But YouTube's better than a blog, but there's massive blogs out there for Amazon Associates. But you need to be an influencer in the space of either reviewing products or just having your own niche, and then you recommend certain Amazon offers. Anyone could do this, and anything they buy through your link in your Amazon affiliate link, you get commission for. So that's kind of how it works. Definitely do the route of YouTube or a blog. I remember seeing an ad for an Amazon book. It was this person's book. Their link was actually an affiliate link to their own book because they actually, get a sale of their book, so they get more money for that. But anything else people buy through Amazon, they get like a commission for too. So it's like really, really smart. Your own products on Amazon, and you do affiliate marketing, build up content and traffic to your thing through an affiliate link. That can be powerful, but I'm not saying Amazon's the secret ever. I'm saying a great offer, and Amazon has a lot of great offers, but then there's affiliate platforms like ClickBank that has their top offers, then there's Digistore, then there's Max Bounty, but then there's your own offers, and you can structure these offers to crush it. You can partner with massive authorities in certain niches. You can associate them to your own products too. You can market to their audiences and crush it. That's hot traffic, baby. That's money. That's how it's done. The most go-to strategy if I had to restart, YouTube's made me a lot of money. YouTube's the first thing that ever made me big money. I built up my second channel. It's an entertainment channel, promoting affiliate offers, and I did other channels throughout time. YouTube's the way. I mean, it's the biggest platform out there. So if you want to make money online, don't get into anything else other than YouTube. Build your audiences. You want to create lots of content where people spend a lot of time with you, and then they want more value and they'll buy your products and stuff. And you want to push people to more platforms. You want to get people into an email list and build an email list because you can instantly print money on demand by selling something new or your same stuff and just getting in front of people with a new marketing message. You can also promote new videos you have, new content. You can push people to new platforms. In general, the secret will always be stick with something long enough that's a good niche. Like health, wealth, or love niche is great. Be passionate and enthusiastic about what you're selling. If you're boring and not passionate about what you sell, you're not gonna make like hardly any money. If you're an expert and authority in what you sell and stuff and what you talk about, and you're probably gonna make a YouTube channel and stuff, that's where the money's at. You want to make great content. It's always gonna come down to great content. It's like you could make a cash flow channel, but if your content's crap, it's never gonna get pushed and it's gonna become just like a waste of time in a way. So you wanna build it up. It's valuable content in a specific niche. You can do multiple channels. I mean, I have personally multiple channels that are around a personal brand and channels that are totally separate and just cash flow channels that are great content. I hire great people to do it. I do it myself too. Combining free traffic with paid. And this is how you can accelerate stuff through the roof. So let me explain my strategy in the most simple way without too many details, where you can get more details behind the paywall. Very powerful programs I have. You want to have a lot of offers, and most importantly, a high ticket thing to sell that converts, like something that's high ticket that's actually making money and sells and converts. You want to make a lot of content, and if you're broke or something, want to have stuff to sell still and make content and do free traffic until you have money. All the money you make, you gotta pay taxes anyway. Throw all your money, if not 90% of it, at ads. Okay, and the best way to do this, and you gotta do YouTube, trust me, like YouTube's the way to go. Then you can get into Instagram's the next best, and then Facebook, and then anything else is great. But building your own traffic that you own is very powerful. It's an email list, and it works like crazy. An email list is everything. An email list for freebies works for more freebies in a way and low ticket stuff. And it can work for some people who buy the high ticket stuff if you have a big enough list. People that are buyers who have bought from you, they're gonna buy more stuff. Like that's just how it works. So buyer email lists are very valuable. You're gonna be doing YouTube, making a lot of content, and you're gonna use the YouTube ad platform called Google AdWords. Basically boost your best content that gets the highest sub for view ratio, and you'll see that if you use vidIQ. Literally, you'll know those best videos. You'll know just by the view amount that they get because it has good metrics, basically. But anyway, you're gonna promote your best videos, and it doesn't mess up your data. It's totally separate. The algorithm keeps that data separate. The views that are advertised views and the views that are organic views, it's totally separate in the data, and YouTube knows that. So it's very powerful. You could do in-stream ads, but you're basically just gonna do like display ads. These videos of yours, they just get showed up as an ad. If you've ever seen it inside YouTube platform, you know, it's so cheap, by the way, how much you pay per view. It's so cheap. And you basically are getting in front of your exact audience on other channels. You have a route you can take though in targeting. By looking at analytics, who actually follows your stuff. You know the age, the gender, and location in the world. Now you just target that, but then you target people who follow certain channels relevant to your channel, or you just target exact keywords. You can do 2 different total campaigns, targeting keywords and channels. You push people to great content, you build an audience, it's just cycling like crazy. You're growing, you have something high ticket to sell, you can spend a lot on traffic without caring. Because if you sell something for $5, or even like $50, you only can spend so much until you see a conversion or feel scared and have to stop your campaign because you're like, this is not profitable. The truth is, you could be not even like break even and build an audience and then just launch a new product whenever you are ready, and you will make a lot of profit right there, okay, to the audience you built. And I know a lot of people are gonna make money from this. Let's go.